I grew up watching Fast and Furious, so that was pretty fun watching, and it just made me want to learn more about cars so I could build my own one day.
I decided to take it because I got really interested in automotive and I wanted to know basic knowledge of it.
Multiple lifts and cars that we get to work on every day, from different brands. So we get to really look at how each manufacturer builds their cars and how to perform certain procedures on those cars.
This literally teaches you stuff you would never know about the automotive industry, the basics, like torquing wheels. I never knew about that. Like how to jack a car or use a lift. I never knew about that.
This course is important to me because it helped me understand how cars really work. And if you want to know how cars work and how they run, how they drive, how everything and part of it, down from the tire to the electrical point to the engine, this class will teach you it.
It's important to me because it just gives me an opportunity to find my way in my life. It just gives me a better chance to get myself out there.